Mount the telephone base on the wall. And here is how. The following step will guide you to connect the telephone base with a standard dual-stud telephone wall mounting plate. You may need a professional to install the mounting plate before the setup. First, press and release the blanket of the telephone base's back cover. Insert the telephone line cord and power cord at the back of the base and plug it firmly. Then, close the back cover and place the power cord and telephone line cord in the slots. Adjust the telephone base's back cover to the wall mount position. On the handset holder, release the handset tab at the bottom and install it upside down to hook the handset. Plug the telephone line cord onto the mounting plate jack. If you are using a DSL filter, plug it to the end of the telephone line cord too. Then, plug the power adapter to the power supply. Now, fit the slots of the base onto the mounting plate tabs. And make sure it fits firmly and won't fall. Finally, bundle the excessive cords neatly with twist ties. And you are done. For more helpful tips, subscribe to the VTech support channel or check out our other videos to keep watching.